Giselle McKenzie, Miss Device TV.
Yeah.
Can you tell us a little bit more about your new project, your new album,
Yeah.
and you have a new music video?
Yeah. Well, yes, I got a new album coming. My fourth album is called Parts of the Puzzle. It's set to release the 4th of October. Got a couple tracks in there. Got songs with Afro artists, Afrobeat. Got songs with Bound the Killer. Got songs with Josie Whale, icon reggae artist in Jamaica, alongside the dancehall artists and stuff. Got some tracks in there with I think he got like 18 or 17 tracks. The album coming, Parts of the Puzzle, and the newest video is out. Is called Got to Tell You, yeah, and it's on VP label. That's the album coming, and that's the single we did. We just shot a video in Times Square, New York, with Afrobeat for the song for me and Afrobeat called 100% Real. So we're doing stuff. We're getting more visuals to the people because this time and age, people, they hear the music, they get the audio, but they also want the visuals. You know what I mean? Today's world, they want to see. They want to see what you're saying. They want to see what you're up to. They want to see your clip or something. You know what I mean? So we're trying to get a whole bunch of videos done. Let's try to get it out there to promote and to get it out there so people could enjoy the audio as well as the video. So Parts of the Puzzle set to release the 4th of October. Pre-order is out now. You know what I mean? So that's that for album. Apart from the album, we got a whole bunch of singles as well. We got the Great Men, my version of Great Men paying homage to Burning Spear. You got a song called Perfect Spot. You got a song called It Rough. You got a song called you got a whole bunch of different singles separate from the album. So it's a whole bunch of work. I just keep it busy musically. Go ahead.
Yeah, busy. My name is Ross Badger. I'm from Zimbabwe.
Respect.
Yes, sir. So, how is Bounty Killer played a role in your career? I mean, has he helped you to this level you're at now, or?
Yeah. Well, Bounty Killer, aka Rodney Price, or Rodney Price, aka Bounty Killer, he helped me a lot along the way as an artist. You know what I mean? From a younger artist, when I was in school, before I migrated to the US back then, Bounty Killer has been the artist, my artist as an artist, dancehall artist, you know what I mean? And I used to be singing his songs, beating on the desk and stuff, you know what I mean? I got kicked out of class a lot, doing that stuff. A lot of different, artists and icons in Jamaica. You got Ninja Man, Shabba Rankin, Papa San, Super Cat, you got a lot of them. Who I used to be just singing the songs, just trying to do my own thing, but I was a student, so the teacher wasn't having that. You know what I mean? Along the way, as an artist, Bounty Killer helped me out as a younger actor. He see me as like his son or his smaller brother. You know what I mean? So he helped me out. He showed me a lot of different ropes to this. He showed me a lot of different ways how to do stuff. He showed me how to hold a microphone and command the crowd. He showed me how to get that crowd attention, get the response from the patrons who come out. Show me how to be militant in what I do and to focus in what I do. You know what I mean? He showed me how to do this thing seriously. Not just to clown about or clown around. You got different artists. You got artists that are clowns. You got professional clowns. You got clowns by choice. You got clowns that do different type of things, and in any situation you got people who are just goofy about different stuff. But to be serious and professional, Bounty Killer taught me that, and I never forget that. I respect Bounty Killer for that. And it's like I never forget to show the respect or to show gratitude with whoever helped me, or even just to show respect to people along the way, because respect goes a far way. When I was a younger child, I always hear the elders say, manners carry you through the world. You know what I mean? Never know what it means. Didn't understand what it meant by that, because I was a child. But as I grew up and as I go through and as I show respect, I see that you got Respect is not something that you just buy out. You can't just pay for that. You can't pay for real respect. You can't pay for real love. You know what I mean? Can't do that. So when you show respect and you show that same thing as manners, you show that respect and that energy follow you and it takes you far away. And we have to show respect to each other. I show respect to Bounty Killer from the first time we met to right now. We never had any disagreement. We just live like two brothers. You know what I mean? So he helped me a lot. You know, I gotta say big respect to Bounty Killer. And a lot of different artists helped me a lot along the way as well. But Bounty Killer, he stand out in different ways. So we have to say big respect.
Okay. Do we have enough? We'll take one more question from the media.
I have another one.
Enough?
I'll take a second one since
Why not?
somebody else.
Why not?
So I've been following you since Step Out.
Wow. Long time.
Dance team.
Long time. Yeah.
How has dancehall changed from then to now in your perspective? And if there's anything that you would like to see, any changes in dancehall now, what would that be? So it's a two-part question.
A two-part question. Well, for the first, it's changed a lot. A whole lot changed. You know what I mean? A whole lot has changed. Even the sounds of the beats changed. The sounds of the rhythm changed. You know what I mean? Dancehall is, but we gotta learn to accept the evolution. You know what I mean? We gotta learn to accept the evolution because we gotta have changes along the way in life. You know what I mean? At first, it started out with some different type of cars. Now we got electric cars, we got e-cars, we got hybrid cars, we got energy saving cars, we got environmental friendly cars. It's coming from like oil burning. I remember when they always talk about the trains, you know what I mean, that uses the oil and you gotta be, it's past that. In everything you got that evolution going. So it's like, I accept the evolution of dancehall, though there have been major changes in dancehall. You know what I mean? The rhythm, it's not like you would hear the bam with you don't have that type of beat anymore. But at the end of the day, you still got something you could bounce to. You could be like, yeah, I like this. You know what I mean? So it's like, we gotta learn to accept the evolution, and it's a major change. The young world and the today's world is a different, and then now the listening span, you know what I mean? The time frame of people listening to music today is just a short window. People don't want to get bored. Yeah, they go on the gram and you don't have nothing interested. They're swiping just like this. They're passing you, going to something else. You know what I mean? So people are trying to do different things just to get their attention. And some people go to the extreme and everything. And some people, you know, they do all kinds of stuff. But authenticity of the reggae dancehall music, we still got to hold a place for that. Because that's the root, and we got to keep the root there. And I personally vow to keep the root going. You know, if you listen to Busy Signal straight through, you hear where every now and again I bring up some of them real old time rhythm and just put my style on it. I will just make our version of that. You know what I mean? Big up Shadalam King. Yeah. See? I will take up the gun in a baggy rhythm. Yeah? Yeah, I will take up the penicillin rhythm. I will do the track called What If on it. You know what I mean? Just to keep that type of hardcore, real dancehall alive. Not knocking the today's world dancehall. Because as I said, we gotta accept the evolution. To the second part of the question now, what would I do to change dancehall? I wouldn't do nothing. I would just keep adding to it. Yeah, I wouldn't change it up. You know, I just would contribute my busy signal towards dancehall. Contribute myself to dancehall. Contribute myself to reggae music, contribute what I got to contribute to the culture of Jamaica. You know what I mean? Also fusing the culture of Jamaica with other cultures, other genres. You know what I mean? I add to it. I don't want to change it up. I just want to add to it, do my style, take my slice, share it up, perform, record songs, you know what I mean? Insert more of me in music. Yeah.